have no idea what's going on. Alright. So here is... Hey, look, god damn it. Oh, centering on the steering, Jesus. This is, god damn, the shadow play. What it looks like from my perspective. Left, looking right, and REALFactor. Yeah, all the telemetry stuff down there. Alright. Oop. Almost killed the motor there. So this is, once again, my car. 350 near horsepower KAT, just on coilovers, and a viscous LSD. And we're going down the tail of the dragon. My physics works so good. Of course, this track lacks its banking in the turns. It lacks all of its elevation profiling features, basically. Banking and up and down elevation in the turns. He leveled it completely. You can see left a little bit of banking and elevation, but trust me, this is dramatic in real life. I guess I didn't bring the helmet camera when I did my dragon run in the Z, which is unfortunate because it was pretty awesome. But yeah, I took the Z because this car, especially without the banking, really loves to do that. Just wants to get sideways here. And this is I'm even running right now the optional tires that I just got and haven't driven on yet that are slightly bigger. They're 245s in the rear. Just got a new set of 3-piece wheels. I've got a head gasket failure in the 240 right now that I've got to fix. That's why I've been driving the Z and the Lexus so much. Basically, the car still runs and drives great. Had the head gasket failure the whole time, even before. I knew that even beforehand when I went to Clarksville with it. Back in September. But, God, I love this car. Which e-brake do I use? Oh yeah, the real one. Cool. Just like the real car, because that's the way I wanted it set up in this game, to be accurate to the real car. When the hydro's there, I always want to grab it. I forgot to remove the hydro. But it's just so perfect, the way these physics are. It's kind of hard to grab the real e-brake when the hydro's there. But yeah, these physics really are perfect. Oh my God, they're good. Good God. I nailed it. I mean, I really nailed it with this car. This is really the way this car handles. Okay, we'll just start using the road and being unrealistic to what I'd be doing in real life and really drift the car out. Because just like in real life, this car is predictable and consistent, and it's really good. It's a really good car. Woo, that rev limiter, I'm going to be overheating. Oh yeah. Motor's hurt already. Tires are overheated. Engine's running a little warm at 216. There we go. Now we're cooling down a little. I've been working on the engine physics, the heating and cooling stuff. Since I got the tires dialed in and don't feel like they can be improved anymore. Nor do I have the time or energy to work on them anymore because they're so complex. I've been fuxing with the motors, getting the fine stuff like engine inertias and heating and cooling properties and engine reliability dialed in. Look at that shift lock, just works so perfectly. Oh my god. This is so accurate. This is so good. Like the transitions between behaviors of the tires is perfect. Like that was dead accurate what it just did right there. That understeer, oversteer thing because I was in too high of a gear and I tried clutch kicking in too tight and slow of a turn. But look at this. This is just... And yeah, the real car is that freaking good. I really can do this in real life with that car. Oh, third gear, not enough RPM. Oh boy, it wanted it. Again, I'll go for the freaking hydro. Man, this road is not like this in real life. It is so much more banking. I guess I've already gone through gravity cavity. I don't recognize it without its gravity. What is a gravity cavity without its gravity? Or its cavity, you know? And yeah, we can just cruise. Let's cool. Oops, looking over there at the tire temperatures. I need to move this map over here where it should be, because in the real car I run a GPS right there, and I want that. It used to replicate that, but I used to have a 50-inch screen, and now I have a 100-inch screen. So, you know, I need to move that basically to match this new screen size. I wish the mirrors were made right. Kind of bothers me that they're not. Yeah, I mean, you can just cruise. I'm in 4th gear at 2,000 RPMs, just like you would in real life, just cruising. I'm going to have to downshift to 3rd here, because the engine would have bogged a little. Oh yeah, we run out of road here. Because to put all the trees in, we had to shorten it. There's a longer version, though, with all the trees. Without all the trees. It's the full length. Full 11 miles in this. Assetto Corsa only got this version because they're obsessed with graphics in Assetto. Let's, oh yeah, replay cameras. As you can see, it really is my car.